We need to make P the subject of the formula. Take a second. Where do we even start? Let us isolate P step by step. First, we need to get rid of this fraction on the right side. It is simple like this. Q minus 3R over 4 equal to 5P. Now, wait, look at this. This is where most people get trapped. How do we destroy a square root? We square both sides, but you must square the entire left side too together. Understand? It is wrong to do it like this. Q squared minus 3R over 4 squared, okay, equal to 5P. This is grossly wrong. Don't practice this. Don't square the terms individually. That completely ruins the math. Instead, put the whole side in brackets. Just like this. We have this. Like this. Q minus 3R4, then squared, it's 5P. Okay? Now the final boss. We just need P, only this P by itself. Since it is multiplied by 5, we divide everything, If you see, let's do this. 5 times P is equal to 5P. So this is multiplied by 5. We divide everything on the other side by 5. Yeah, let us do it. P equal to P Q minus 3R over 4. Then you square them all over 5. Understand? Now there it is. P is completely isolated. That is the correct answer. Remember the golden rules of algebra. Whatever you do to one entire side, you must do to the other. Master that and no exam can trap you. So drop a comment if you got it right. And I will see you in the next class.